Add a modern botanical touch to any room with the Secret Garden Cushion. To create this piece, you'll need the following products. Using chalk, copy this image or another image that inspires you. Remove the padding from the cushion so that you can work on the flat surface of the cushion cover. Using tweezers, place the Xerius Rose Hot Fix crystals along the chalk outline, alternating the two shades of green. Then, include a few fern green on some of the leaves. Continue placing the Hot Fix crystals along the outline. Cover the padding with Teflon and iron it to secure the crystals in position before moving on to the next part of the design. Sew the pure leaf pendants onto the inside of one leaf, then sew the Xerius sew-on stones onto the inside of another leaf, alternating two shades of green. Now sew the clover crystal button randomly onto a corner of the cushion. Now reattach the padding to your cushion and bring the garden indoors. Find everything you need to create this project at dreamtimecreations.com.